Welcome back to the American System series. Today we're going to be looking at the Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service, in time of war, or public danger, nor shall any person be the subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. The main rights of the Fifth Amendment are to prevent forced self-incrimination, double jeopardy, and to make available due process, eminent domain, and grand jury. Self-incrimination. You can't be forced to testify against yourself. I pled the Fifth is the phrase you say if you choose to remain silent in a legal setting. Due process. Everyone gets fair treatment under the law. You can't be punished without proper legal procedures. Double jeopardy. Once you've been acquitted of a crime, you can't be tried for the same crime again. Eminent domain. If the government needs your property for public use, they must fairly pay you for it. Grand jury. Serious criminal charges require a grand jury to first decide if there's enough evidence for a trial. These rights protect individuals from unfair treatment by the legal system and ensure justice is fairly administered. We will see more about grand jury in the 14th Amendment in our future video. One such example is, on April 16, 1985, Ronald William Robertson was arrested at a burglary scene. The arresting officer read him his Miranda rights, and Robertson asked to see an attorney before answering any questions. On April 19th, while Robertson was still in custody on the burglary charge, a different officer who was unaware that Robertson had requested a counsel interrogated him regarding the robbery. During this questioning, Robertson gave an incriminating statement. At trial, the trial court suppressed the statement and held that his interrogation without his attorney present after he had requested one violated his Fifth Amendment right to counsel. Here we see the word Miranda rights. Let's see what it is. After detaining and before interrogation, the police must inform arrestees or accused in custody the following Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. If you do say something, what you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer and have that lawyer present in any questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer, a lawyer will be appointed to you if you desire. The police don't have to say these rights in the exact same order. They just need to convey these rights to an accused person so that they are aware of the protection provided by the Constitution to them. Failure to read someone their Miranda rights when required means their answers to questions won't be admissible as evidence of guilt. The Fifth Amendment was created to protect individuals from a powerful and possibly unjust government. I hope now you got some ideas about the rights offered by the Constitution. even during the arrest, in custody, interrogation, and obtaining property from people.